Mr. Ihtisham tells us. What is clear? Tells us that. No, just focus on tells. I'm going to change something. No? Tells us that. Tells us that. Clear? That he is standing. Sir, you have to make 8 sentences. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. Clear? You have to know G.
I'm speaking.
You're speaking. G.
Mr. Ihtisham tells us that he is speaking.
Better slowly a little bit. Mr. Ihtisham tells us that he is
Speaking.
that is speaking. D. How long have you been speaking for?
I have been speaking for 20 minutes.
Okay, next beta.
He
He tells us, next beta, next. We have to know like that, okay? D.
Sir,
He tells us that.
Mr. Ihtisham tells us that Mr. Ihtisham tells us that he has been speaking for 20 minutes.
He tells us that. He tells us that. He tells us that. He tell, not tell. Tells. He tells us that he has been. What is clear? He has been. He has been speaking for 20 minutes. For 20 minutes. Since when?
I've been speaking since Mr. Rafi asked me to do so.
Very good. Beautiful. I love you, my son. No? I have been speaking since Mr. Rafi asked me to do so. Very good. D.
Mr. Ihtisham says that
No problem.
he's speaking since Mr. Rafi
Asked him to do so. Very good. Next statement. What are you doing now or what are you doing these days?
उन्होंने he is guy, he has been on the day.
ये देखिए अगर आपका concept clear है, very good question, no? See, he is, and he has. He is the contraction of he is and he as well. Point clear? No. You knew that? ये तुक्का लगा. Clear? He is just like no. I have been no. You can say over here no. I, we've, you've, they've. Clear? He's, he has, she's. One clear? And it has. What is clear? बात समझाइए?
Yes, sir.
G. Now focus. What are you doing these days?
I am observing different scenarios these days.
Very good. You are observing different scenarios. What is he telling us, or what is he saying? I'm adding something new. What is he saying? ये क्या कह रहे हैं जी?
He tells us
नहीं, थोड़ा चेंज कर लो और बेटा. He is saying, he is telling us, he is stating, he is sharing with us, he is informing us. बात क्लियर हुई नहीं हुई? ये मैं बता रहे हैं, ये कह रहे हैं नहीं, ये बयान कर रहे हैं नहीं. क्या? Please बेटा.
He is different. He is observing different scenarios.
He is saying, he is telling us that, he is saying that, he is informing us that. Ab the Ishabas.
He is saying that
Very good.
he is observing different scenarios.
बात clear हुई है नहीं हुई? Actually, we are changing now the first part of the sentence. He tells, he says, he informs, he shares, and then now he is saying, he is telling. Hani, follow on. I have ये ज़्यादा बेहतर है. पूरा बता के ये confuse हो.
I have been watching.
I have been observing the different scenarios
for 20 minutes.
for 20 these days. You talk about these days.
For 4 days.
For 4 days. I have been observing the different scenarios for
4 days.
4 days. G. What is he telling us?
Mr. Islam telling us.
Is telling us.
Mr. Sham is telling us that he is.
Okay, that he has been,
He has been observing
the different scenarios
for 4 days.
for 4 days. Since when? पूरी इतनी हो रही? नहीं हो रही, खामोश हो गया.
I am
Is it short?
observing.
It's a very important, no? जी.
I am observing the different scenarios.
I have been, जी.
Observing the different scenarios since Saturday.
Since Saturday, since last Saturday. Since last Saturday.
Since last Saturday.
Clear? And this last हो गया. जी. What is he telling us?
He is saying that
Okay.
he has been observing the different scenarios since the last century.
Since now the last, very good, beta. Since now the last Saturday. Ji. Again, what are you doing now? Got to be a lot complete on this one. No? It will create problem, no?
I
Ji.
am trying to make sentences.
I'm trying to make sentences. What is he saying?
He is saying us that
He is saying us. He is saying that, or he is telling us. He is informing us. He is sharing with us. Clear? He is stating as a law. Steve.
I am trying to make sentences.
I'm trying to make new
he is
sentences.
sharing with us that he
Very
is
good.
trying to make sentences.
Very sentences. Ji. For how long?
I have been trying to make sentences for 5 minutes.
For 5 minutes.
He is saying that he is trying, he has been trying.
But jana baver, ਵੱਡੇ ਬਾਵੇਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਆਖਿਆ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਪੁੱਤਰ ਦੇਣਾ. ਨਿੱਕੇ ਬਾਵੇਰ ਅਗਲਾ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੱਤੀ. ਐ ਨਿੱਕੇ ਬਾਵੇਰ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਰ ਦੋ ਜੋ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਹੀ ਹੋਣੀ ਆਈ. ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਸਾਕੇ ਬੈਟਰੀ ਤੇ ਵੋਲਟ ਬੈਟਰੀ ਉਹ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਸਾਲੀ ਵੋਲਟ ਇੱਕ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਪੜਦੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਡਰਾਮੇ ਬੜੇ ਬੜੇ ਡਰਾਮੇ ਸੈਮਨ ਆਫ ਦ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਪੈਪਸੀ ਕੀ ਇਹ ਬਣਦੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਕਦੇ ਜਲਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਹਾਂਜੀ
He has been trying to make sentences for 3 days.
ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਨਾ ਉਹਦਾ 1% ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੱਕ ਅਦਾ ਕਰੋ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਉਸ ਤੱਕ ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਸਰ ਜੀ what are you doing now ये असाइनमेंट करनी है नरेशन मुझे करवानी है मुझे आगे करने जरा जल्दी करें जी
I'm using my cell phone.
you are using your cell phone जी
She is saying that she is using her cell phone.
very good for how long
I'm using my
La
cell phone.
hawla
I have been using my cell phone for 1 hour.
अगर नहीं उसी बोल सुन दियो मतलब कब तक करना है तो बात है बुरी है दोस्त
I have been using my cell phone for 1 hour.
okay
She says that she has been using her cell phone for 1 hour.
मतलब वो बन गया ना भाई ये रटा तो बाहर नहीं आ गया
I'm sharing my
then wait since when
I have been using my cell phone since I received a message from my friend.
very good I have been using my cell phone since I received the new message जी
She says that she is using their cell phone since she is received the message.
since she received the new message what are you doing these days
I'm attending the classes.
you are attending
Spoken English.
spoken English classes these days जी
She tells us
very good